Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. In today's video, I'm come to make moi. This typical Nigeria recipe. Today is my first time I tried this recipe. Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian and my husband also, he's a Ghanaian and he like to eat moi. Yeah, because he was living in Nigeria before. Yeah, so he know all those things. So we have some woman, she prepares some for him to eat. So I asked the woman to teach me how I can make some for my husband, because it's not always that my husband will ask, Mama, can you prepare this for me? And I'm sitting there as a cook, as a chef. No, I'm supposed to learn. So I asked the woman and the woman teach me how I can make it. She teach me how the banana leaves one, and I use my idea to use the baking tin. Yeah, this aluminum baking tin. Yeah, I use this one. Yeah, and you see how yummy it look. You see? Yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you can try it. Yeah, so if you make a mistake, please don't insult me. I'm a Ghanaian. And let me show you the things I'm going to use for this. That's the ingredients, please. So this my beans, I soak it for 3 days and I remove the skin from it. Yeah, this is the black eyed beans. Like this one, I soak it for 3 days and I remove. It's very easy. And this is my spices: Adobo, fish season. So you can add any spices you want, salt, and shrimp Maggi, ginger, garlic, onion, fresh pepper, bell pepper. Yeah, and vegetables bouillon. Yeah, mackerel, sardine. Yeah, so any sardine you want, you can use it. Yeah, we have tuna sardine, you can use it. And this is my cooked egg, paprika powder. I have recipe that I will post it very soon. Crayfish, red palm oil, that's the palm nut oil, and my oil. You can use vegetables oil, you can use olive oil. Yeah, so let's start. We are going to blend all this together: the vegetables, ginger, garlic, onion, fresh pepper. You cut it in pieces and you add it to your beans. Yeah, this pepper is very hot, so I'm not going to use all. So I divide it into two and I use the half one. You see, it's very hot. And you add it to your beans. I add the crayfish and I add my Maggi, because the Maggi is too hard. That's why I want to use to blend it together. And I put into my blender. But if you are in Africa, you know we have special machine, you can go there and blend all together. Yeah, and you add small water, not too much water. You add it and you blend until smooth. This one is too much, so I divide it into two and I blend all together and I pour into clean saucepan. You see, your clean saucepan, you pour into it, you continue blend all together and you add all together like this one, and then you mix it small. Yeah, you see it's different colors, so you're supposed to mix all together to get good color like this, the same color. Then you start adding your spices. You add salt, not too much salt, be careful with salt. I add my fish season, so any spices you want, you can add it to it. This is my vegetable bouillon. Yeah, if you have all-purpose season, you can add that one to it. And adobo, that's why I told you don't add too much salt, because adobo have too much salt inside. And you mix all together like this. You add small water, so the blender you use to blend it, you can use that water to wash your blender, and you add it to it and you mix all together well. then you divide it into two. So one is red palm oil and another one with oil, normal oil. Yeah, that's my olive oil with other one, and this my palm oil. And you add paprika powder. Yeah, it's your choice. Yeah, anything you want to get the good taste, you can add it to it. Yeah, this the olive oil one, and mix all together like this. And I will show you two different ways you can cook your momo, one in the oven and one in the stove. So this is my banana leaves. I already clean it good, and you fold it nice like this. You see how I start folding it? You make it like this, and you take some of your mix. This is the red one. You pour inside like. You add the egg. You can use the fold one, or you can divide it into two, and you add your sardine. Yeah, if you want to get the good taste, you add all those things, and you take some and you pour on top like this. Like yeah, because you put some under, and you put your egg, all those egg inside, and you add another one, and you fold it nice like this. You see, it's very easy. It's very easy to follow it. Yeah, you see how I'm folding it. And let me show you another way you can mold your momo. This one is aluminum foil. Yeah, you make it ready. You fold it into two. You see, and you turn it like this. You fold other side like this. Yeah, you fold it and do the other side like this. You fold it. Yeah, it's very easy. Like you are making pockets. Yeah, pockets. Yeah, like you are making pockets like this, and it's very easy to make it. Let me show you. You see, you get the good one. If you go inside, it will not fall down. You do it, then you take some of your momo, the mixed one, you pour inside. So the same thing I did with the red one, the same thing you can do with the oil one. Yeah, that is the olive normal oil. Yeah, also you add your egg, you add your sardine, you pour some on top again, and then you see, you fold it. It's very easy. I told you it's very easy. I don't know, when I see it, so this is too long to make this recipe, so why I shouldn't try. But yeah, I try it. It's so many easy to make it. And this is my baking tin. So you grease your baking tins like this one. You take some of your mixed momo, you pour inside like this. Also, I'm adding egg. So I put my egg in the middle like this. Yeah, I'm supposed to put in the middle, and your sardine. But if you have any meat you prefer to add it, you can do it. But normal, I see they use egg and sardine. Yeah, and you take some and you pour on the top. It's supposed to cover nicely. Yeah, and you cannot see the egg or sardine up. Yeah. And you cover it. You see how I'm covering it with the aluminum foil. Yeah. So you put water on fire, not too much water, because you need the steam to cook your momo. Yeah, it's not too much water. And you put something under before you can put like this one. You see I have like a strain on down, and I put banana leaf before I arrange my package a momo. Yeah, I package nice and arrange it like this. You see, this one is the baking tin, and this banana leaf. So you are going to use the vapor to cook this one, vapor, not the water. so you shouldn't let the water to come up, or and the water should be under. It should be your the thing shouldn't touch the water. Yeah, so because the vapor you are going to use it to cook it. Yeah, you see how I arrange it nicely, and you cover it with banana leaf. You know, banana leaf is also good medicine. Yeah, that's why we use the banana leaf to cover it. Yeah, that's why they use. Yeah. Yeah. And you see, you cover it and let it be steamed. If it's ready, you can see your banana leaves has changed. That means it's ready. And then I'll come to show you the oven one. This is the oven one. You see, the water also is not too much. The water is under, and I arrange everything and I cover it with aluminium foil. That's why I didn't cover it with banana leaf, because I'm sending it to oven. Yeah, so I need the vapor to cook it. That's why I did it. And let's also cook some 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, it takes long to cook because the beans supposed to cook good. And you see how yummy it is. You see, if you want to check it, you can see the banana leaves have changed different color. That means it's also ready. And you serve. It's easy. I don't know, it's very easy to make this one. It takes long process, but it's so easy to cook this one. Yeah, and now we have beans outside. They have already made the beans, so you can buy the beans and make it. And you see how the yummy is look. Yeah, I hope I did good. Where is my Nigeria friends? I have done well. Yeah, you people should comment and let me know if I didn't do it well. Then I will do it again. This the same thing the woman teach me. I have done well, and when I finish, I show it to the woman. The woman says, "Oh, it's good," but maybe I didn't do something good. You guys can tell me and enjoy. I hope you will try it. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.